Hello everyone. 5 unknown iPhone tricks for 2024 that you were aware of. These 5 little known tips will turn you into an expert iPhone user. First tip, use the back tap to perform fast actions. Back tap to take screenshots, launch Control Center, or bring up Siri multiple times to tap the back of your iPhone. Unbeknownst to you, your iPhone has a shortcut button on the back. Simply navigate to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, and Back Tap to configure your preferred actions. Trick 2. Use your camera to scan documents. Scan documents. You can scan documents with the camera on your iPhone and save the files as PDF. A scanner is not necessary. Just launch the Notes app, pick Scan Documents from the menu, hit the camera icon, and start a new note. The rest is handled by your iPhone. Trick 3. To zoom in on little objects, use a magnifying glass. Magnifier. Use a 15x magnification to focus on little items. Unable to read that little print? Magnifier. Come to my aid. To magnify objects, open it from Settings, select Accessibility, then Magnifier. Then, use the Zoom slider. Trick 4. Use your iPhone to measure objects. Use augmented reality to measure things in the real world. In secret, your iPhone is a measuring tape. To measure an object, open the Measure app from the Utilities folder and point your iPhone at it. Using Live Listen to hear conversations from a distance is the 5th trick. Live Listen. To listen in on discussions from a distance, use your Beats or AirPods headphones. With Live Listen, you may use your iPhone as a remote listening device. Turn it on by navigating to Settings, then Accessibility, and finally AirPods or hearing aids. For other iPhone hints and techniques, like and subscribe. These are only a handful of the iPhone's numerous hidden features. Watch this space for more iPhone mysteries.